Hello everyone, thank you for taking the time out to watch my videos and subscribe to them. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so. Also, while you're in that section, go ahead and tap the notifications bell so that you'll be notified once I do upload a new video. So this video is going to be about how you can start your own home-based business. That's right, how you'll be able to make money from home, especially with everything that's going on in the world right now. A lot of people are concerned of how they'll be able to generate income while they want us inside. So this is perfect for being able to even start your own business, even create your own home-based business, as far as, for your books, even other businesses as well. It is an app called Fiverr, and it's famous for offering services for only $5, or should I say starting at $5, and the prices go up. So what you want to do is go to the app or the website. It's spelled Fiverr. And when you go sign up for an account, you'll see, all the services that you can purchase, as well as all the services that you'll be able to offer for your own, account. And this is how you will be able to earn the money, generate income. So all the services that they offer are ghostwriting for books, book formatting, proofreading books, book editing, book cover designer, audiobook narrator. So if you have like that voice for, speaking, or you speak well, you pronounce words good, and people have told you like, oh, you have a nice voice, you should, narrate. This is perfect for that. If you know how to design websites, you can put that you are a website designer. Say you know how to do search engine optimization or online marketing. That is another service that you can offer. Say you draw cartoons well. You can be a book illustrator and a cartoon artist. Say you know how to produce videos well. You can offer video production. Or if you need video production for your book, say you want to create a book trailer, you're able to pay somebody there to create a trailer for your books, or you can offer that service to people. Say you're good at chopping videos, editing videos, you can offer that service. YouTube voiceover, or any kind of videos, like what's popular now is YouTube. So that's why I say you could pay somebody there, or you can offer the service, and how to do voiceovers for YouTube videos or any kind of videos. So those are, article writing, blog writing, like logo designers. You could say, hey, I know how to come up with awesome logos. You could put that on there. You would say, hey, I know how to do album covers. Say, book covers or whatever. A lot of people, that need that service. You can offer that service. There's probably many more services on there than what I named, but That's just to give you, a roundabout idea of all the, book services that you can put on your own account for you to be able to generate income. And it's also a good idea to have a Facebook page. If you don't, that's like missing out on free advertising, free marketing for your Fiverr account, because Facebook also has, private groups, public groups. So it's a good idea to join a Fiverr group in Facebook and go ahead and take advantage of the group and go ahead and post your Fiverr account in that group, so that you'll be able to get leads, so that you'll be able to get people hitting you up. Hey, I need you to do, my book cover, or, post some samples. Like, hey, here's some sample book covers I have, or, post your Fiverr account and say, hey, I know how to do book formatting, hit me up, charge like $1 a page or whatever, you're charging for your time. So that is a way to generate like a customer base, And then I also have YouTube videos of my own. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and post the links to those YouTube videos that show you how to format books step by step. So, another YouTube video I did was how to create book covers. So you can say, you can do several different services, or you can just specialize in one. It's up to you what you want to make time to do. And I'll also post the link to my YouTube video on how to create book covers for free. Because there in that video, I tell you the website to go to sign up and use that 100% free. If you want to make super HD clear 4K book covers, you might want to get like a Photoshop program or something for your computer to enhance the book covers, or do things that the one website that I tell you in that video, can improve on. But basically, you can not spend any money at all and pull in money, as far as making money quicker or faster, or make money without spending money. That's the way that I want to put it. So, yeah, look for those links to my other YouTube videos in the description to this video. And just checking my notes. So go ahead and set up your Fiverr account, because that's another link that I'll leave in the description to this video, is the link that will show you, to help you, guide you through how to navigate, the Fiverr app. And that way, when you do set up your account, it'll be a breeze for you to, set up, because you'll know beforehand, and as well as how, it works, as well as how you'll be able to offer your services, and how to purchase some services on there as well, if that's what you want to do. So I hope this video has helped you. Go ahead and share my video if it's really helped you, or helped, teach you something that you didn't know before. Share it, because, you may know somebody who writes books and they want to get their books pumped out faster, but they think they don't have anyone to type the books up for them Fiverr is perfect for that. You have help with Fiverr. You know, they may have got, you know, some reviews on previous books to say, hey, your books need editing. You need an editor? Go there. You want somebody to proofread your book? Go to Fiverr. So yeah, please share my video. Please thumbs up this video if you liked it. And I appreciate your time. Thanks again for watching, and have a blessed day.